We're back at Molly's. My friend just picked up his V4R. Yeah, when I saw this V4R with the Acura over here at this dealership, I had to. I was like trying to convince him to get it, and he pulled the trigger. Proud of him. Congrats. Check out his channel. You're already seeing him on my page. But yeah, thank you. Now we're gonna be riding together on the way back. This is the R1M. I need to like replace those. They're ugly. And let me know in the comments if you guys want me to keep the white for a little bit longer. I probably will, just because, you know, it's a little different before going back to stock. And don't mind this, I took this off because we're actually Troy from Brent Tuning is hooking it up, and they're getting me an ECU with their tuning and all that to replace this, because if you guys didn't know, this ECU is like locked and I can't use it, blah blah blah. Yeah, long story. Thank you, sir. Ah, of course, I need gas. I need gas. Oh. Yeah, I have mirrors. I think that's good. I probably wouldn't known until we actually saw it. Gee, I feel like the air from that V4R all the way back here. This is good. This is a little bit lower. My OCD. Ooh, I thought my thingy is down. Couldn't see nothing. I was like, why is it so slow? It's the power modes. I switched all of this stuff. Wait, what the hell? What the hell happened here? I don't know what happened here, but all of this stuff was like all the way down, literally. Is the same on this side? No, this side is good. This is all good. That was weird. You guys can see all this. I wonder if that's from the heat, because it was like 100 degrees out there. I think this is what it looked like. Rolling. Whoa. Jumpy. The clutch is so sensitive on this bike. Oh, and my quick shifter doesn't work. Damn, this bike needs some maintenance. It took a beating at the track. What the hell? Oh my god, look at the traffic, and there's an accident right there. Yeah, this whole thing like slid that way. Honestly, I think it's from the heat, because if you guys didn't notice, at the track it was like 100+ degrees and we're like doing all these laps. But come on, Yamaha, what the hell is this build quality? I forgot I got the quick release. This is the first time using it. But yeah, this is annoying. I'll have the tech take a look at it. Yeah, this is why this is kind of wobbly, because it's kind of like pushed like down there. $24, almost 4 gallons. Yeah, the bike was empty. It's looking better. wait to get the Brent tuning on this bike. The throttle is just like too choppy on this. Brent tuning is gonna smooth it out without losing any power. Probably will be making more power too. I do not like riding without gloves. I actually kind of do, but when you get used to riding with gloves and you ride without gloves, it just feels weird. Okay, so getting used to that V4R clutch. Wait, what? Oh my god, we passed all the traffic's all the way back there. So the traffic is like behind us, so now we're good. The bike is so bumpy. I wonder, I doubt I can change it on the fly. I probably can't even go into the like setting menu. Wait, I can probably change the mode though. Ow. No, it doesn't even let me change the mode. Alright, we're stuck with a bumpy ride. I'm glad we're going this way, not the opposite way. Look at all the traffic. My tire pressure is probably like pretty low too right now. I forgot, I should have adjusted my tire pressure back at the shop. It's alright, we'll do it on the way back. Oh, not on the way, when we get back. And you guys saw when I gave it throttle, it wobbled a lot. The track, like the road needs to be hella smooth to ride with the track suspension. That V4R looks nice. The shifts on the Acura are pretty nice. I just got smacked by a rock. I'm trying to like film him as much as I can because it's probably cool for him to see this. gonna feel good. So both hands on the wheel, or on the handlebars. Yeah, I'm still kind of sick. Should be the last day, hopefully. Ow. Yeah, I need to stop by to soften the suspension up and adjust my tire pressure. The bike feels heavy because of the low tire pressure.